Okay, let's take a look at some of our statistics unit again with association or correlation of scatter plots. So here on the screen, you see a scatter plot, a first quadrant graph with some points scattered around. So it's your responsibility to determine whether the scattered dots actually have a relationship, meaning are they clustered together? Are they generally increasing or decreasing? Are they really spread apart with no pattern at all? So these are some vocabulary words that we've previously covered. So this particular scatter plot shows, and here's a drop-down menu of multiple choice answers. Positive linear with one outlier, negative linear with one outlier, non-linear, or no correlation whatsoever. So for no correlation, that would mean that there's just no pattern whatsoever. But these points are generally moving in an upward trend. So I'm going to say it's positive linear. And I'm not going to choose the one with the outlier because there's really no points that are really far away or lying outside. Outlier, lying outside of the other points. So the scatter plot shows positive linear correlation because as the plotted values of x, right, this is your x-axis, as you increase along the x-axis, what's happening with the points going along the y-axis? So as the x values increase, the y values generally, in this particular case, are also going upwards or increasing. So let's take a look. Yes, indeed. Let's try another one. All right, so I've got some scattered plot points here, and it's not sharp, but I definitely think they're moving in a downward trend. So like I think if I was going to plot another point, I'm not going to put it way up here, right? I think I'm going to put it down here. So it definitely looks like it is decreasing or negative. So the scattered plot shows a negative linear, right? Because it's sort of going along the same path as a straight line would go, even though it's not straight. But it looks like I have that one little point down here that is sticking out. So I'm going to choose negative linear with one outlier. And that is because as the x values increase, the dots are going down the y-axis. So as the x values increase, the values of y generally decrease. Let's take a look and write again. All right, let's take a look at this third one. Describe the correlation in the scatter plot shown below. Well, wow, that looks like a hot mess. So I don't think that's going uphill or downhill. It's kind of all over the place. So we're going to call this one no correlation, right? The very last option in the drop-down menu. And I'm saying that it has no relationship at all with itself, no association, no correlation, because as I move along the x-axis, as the x values increase, the y values generally show no pattern whatsoever. It's not that they have a pattern and it's just curved, right? That's what this means. They follow a pattern, but it's curved. This one actually shows no pattern at all. And there you have it. All right, let's try skill number 2. Skill number 2 is to draw a line of best fit. So this one is pretty simple to do, as long as you know that in order to draw a line, you have to click your mouse button twice. You have to click it at the beginning of the line you want to draw, and then you have to click it at the end of the line you want to draw. Now, if I click this, then my line wouldn't be moving in the same direction as my points. So if I don't like my line, I can simply click one more time, click a third time. So I'm going to click down here, and I think that's pretty accurate. Some of the points are above the line, some of the points are below the line, some of the points are even like on the line. I think that is a best fit line, a line of best fit. So let's submit it, and let's see what they say. Ooh. So the green dotted line, that's what I drew. I drew the green dotted line. And their answer is the black line. See, your line is shown in green. I was pretty spot on. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. All right, let's try this one again. Now you want your line to kind of go through the middle of the points. So I think I'm going to go here. I don't really like that. I'm going to delete it. I think I like here. Yeah, I like that. I kind of think that's really through the center. All right, let's see how I did. Remember, mine is going to be the green dash line. Oh, I wasn't so bad. I wasn't so bad. All right, so that concludes our video for the 2 skills you should be working on today. Good luck!